maybe revisiting and reliving the past isn't good.
Where are we going, up or down? We talked about it.
We made Baja Blast.
I almost dumped it out.
I almost dumped this out. Thumbnail. Megan, 2 of my friends have called you hot. I would like to personally pay for your friend's eye surgery.
Yeah, well, I need to pay for Christina's eye surgery.
We are just 2 hot individuals. There's no need for these words.
This is the same bag my dad bought. My mom called me. I can't.
Anyways, she was saying that she's a perfectly healthy individual, mentally and physically. Y'all, check out my jawline. What? Not the confidence. Someone come get their child. We're talking about rain. Francis was an absolute douchebag in the beginning.
Yeah.
We think that Bash deserves
Bash supremacy.
Yeah, Bash supremacy. Get it, Mr. Borsman. Get it, Mr. Bors. What topic can I mock? Oh, I know. Guys, we need to have a serious talk here. It's taken a lot. It's taken a lot for me to come forward with this, but really feel like we need to stop bullying the boys. You know, they just have so much going on. Like, they have so much to keep track of. Like, all the lies that they tell, they have to keep track of it. And I think that we need to be considerate to how they're feeling. Anyways, kill all the boys. Kill all men. 2020.
That'll be right.
It's no longer 2020. I'm kind of lost. What's happening? Oh, we're like talking to ourselves. Men?
Take a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Why does it match?
It fell.
Red lipstick on my red Valentino white bag. Memes daily. If you post memes daily, you're obviously not someone that we want to be around.
Don't hit my phone.
Tiptoe through the tulips. That's Tiny Tim. Okay, I have this magic trick where if you like snap, something can appear.
Let's go recreate our photos now.
Hey gang, if you do something dumb on March 15th, don't repeat it the next year. Because it'll just go very, very horribly.
Okay, I don't actually think I can fit under you.
I can't fit.
No, I can't fit.
I think I can.
I think I can.
So a lot of things went wrong today. And it's our fault because we relived the past.
Yeah, don't go back to your past. Not worth it. Why did we both do that at the same time?